Hi guys, Kieran Renee here. Today we are going on a nature walk. Today I have my binoculars, my compass, and my flashlight. And I also got a hat.
And you got your shovel?
Yep, got my shovel.
Okay, so what are we doing today?
A nature walk.
Look at this, Kieran.
Whoa. If someone ever tried to climb that, they would probably fall down.
Yeah, that looks rough, huh?
Yeah, that is. You have to be an expert.
Yeah. Okay, let's continue to walk.
Dad, look at these tall trees. Did you know, guys, Columbia River Gorge, they have a lot of waterfalls and a lot of creeks, and we're going to go and see one right now. There's a creek down below and a waterfall up ahead. Come on, let's go and look at it. Look, guys, how cool is this? That is so cool, right, guys? That is so cool, yes. Look, guys, look what this is. It's called a nature vibe girl. Ooh, yes.
Vibe girls.
Yes.
Jamie, nature vibe, Kieran. Oh my
Wow.
goodness. Turn it around and see if we can see something else.
Whoa, these are all of her friends that you can collect.
Yes, it looks like there's Sophia, Luna, Mia, Allison, Emma, and Jamie. Wow. Wow.
Let's take another look.
It even has a vibe ring, Kieran.
Yes.
Oh, we're going to have to open it up, huh?
Yes.
Wow, what a score for a nature hike, huh?
Yes.
Let's go somewhere and open this bad boy up, girl.
Yes.
I got an idea. How about we go over to the neighboring waterfall, Wakina Falls, and open it up? How about that?
Sure.
Where we can sit down and just open her up and show everybody what we found.
Yes.
Wow, nature vibe. Jamie. Woohoo, girl. Score.
Yes, baby, yes. Okay, guys, let's open this bad boy up in focus so I can see what we got. Come on. Let's open this thing. Ooh, stickers!
Ooh, stickers. Look at these cool stickers, guys.
And
Ooh, these are awesome. What do you got there, Kieran?
there's even a diary!
Yes, open it up. Let's see what kind of pictures and whatnot they have in there. Oh, turn it around so everybody can see. Oh, nice.
Open. Hey, why won't you get out? Now I know. Now we can get you out. Hey, where's that vibrating? Here it is.
Oh, there's the vibe ring right there, huh?
Yeah.
Let's see it.
I'm gonna put it right here. And my
Let's see.
finger here.
Oh, that's really cool. Very cute, Kieran. On to the next.
Get her out.
Oh my goodness. What a find here in the forest. Look at this forest.
Yes.
And we found the vibe girl right here at Luttrell Falls.
We got her out now. Look at her beautiful hair. And also her beautiful blue eyes.
Yeah, let's see her shoes, girly.
Yes.
Let's see them.
Shoes are so cool.
Let's see them. Oh, very cute, Kieran.
And also, did you know, guys, her feet can also twist backwards.
Okay, all right.
Now I'm gonna get her hair. And also, I forgot, guys, she comes with a brush. You can actually brush her hair.
What else? A little nature animal, a little bunny, huh? Wow. Okay. And then she has some hair
Yeah.
Some hair things.
Yep.
What is this? These are like little hair or earrings? No, those are earrings, huh? And then she's got a hair.
A little thing.
Let's see how that goes, huh?
Okay.
She's got all kind of cute accessories, doesn't she?
Yeah.
Very cute.
I'm not an expert at this at all.
Yeah, but you're gonna learn. That's part of doing nature, being a part of nature, is learning.
Look guys, I'm also gonna show you something else. She even comes with sunglasses. Look at how cute she is.
Okay, awesome, huh? Yes. And she has that pretty brush and the earrings and the diary. Let's see, the diary and stickers galore, huh?
Yes.
Ooh, wonderful.
But what I love about here the most,
What's that?
I love pretty much the little nature shirt.
Oh, that's
and
cute,
the
huh?
pants.
That is pretty cool, huh? How creative. Clever.
Yes.
Yes. Vibe Girls by Jay at Play. Look at that. Very good job, Jay at Play. We appreciate it, huh?
Yes, Jay at Play. Jay at Play, thanks for making these cute dogs. Good job. Well, guys, this is the end of this video. Please give us a huge thumbs up and subscribe.